Hi, my name is Dr. Ethan Strickland and welcome to the PAS classroom. Today I'll be speaking about the way we position our bodies behind the marimba. Specifically, I'll be speaking about how we can use our lower extremities to assist us in consistently hitting correct notes. A lot of the times when we're practicing marimba, we start to build these intentional choreographed movements above the keyboard. We can instill some of those same intentional choreographed movements below the keyboard. I like to avoid any unnecessary movements or motions when I'm playing marimba, so in this context, it would be those little tiny stutter steps we sometimes do to stay in front of the notes we're playing. Instead, I like to find a default position or a grounding zone in the center of the range that I need to play in. So, for example, if I'm playing a piece that's in this range, but I know that I play a significant amount of notes in this area, I'd come here, put my feet shoulder width apart. From here, I can use the interval between my feet. I can use my knees, and I can also use my hips to guide me to the other areas of the keyboard I need to play in. So the next time you practice, ask yourself what's happening below the keyboard. And speaking of practicing, what repertoire is everyone currently working on? Let me know in the comments. Anyway, that is today's lesson from the PAS classroom.